Yo, back again. Part 3. Again, I don't even know. I'm pretty sure by now y'all done seen whatever the title is, but I didn't know what I was gonna name them until I typed it into the bar. But here we are with part 3 of some of the best tools for a barber to use if you're new and or if you're on a budget. All right. So we had part 1, which was the clippers, and I'll leave a link down below to that. And we had part 2, which was the trimmers, and I have a link down below for that. All right. Today we're gonna talk about shavers. Shavers are kind of not tricky, but different. All right. Of course, there's no corded shavers. I mean, I'm pretty sure there is, but I've never used them, so I don't know about corded. All right, so I'm just gonna do cordless shavers. But they're kind of tricky because, to me, it just really depends on the feel of the shaver. Some people like the babeless shavers more than anything. Me, I'm not. I mean, they're not bad, but I'm not the biggest fan of them. All right, so I'm gonna just start with one of my favorite shavers. Actually, it's kind of a newer shaver. It's a 1-foil shaver from Gamma. This is the Stylecraft version. You can get these on the Stylecraft website or the Gamma drawback. Stylecraft Gamma, the Uno, the 1-foil shaver. You can get these for about $55 on the Gamma website. It's only a single foil, but it's great to get the job done, especially going over the smaller areas here, hitting the line up. I did a review on this, so I'll leave a link down below, but these are one of my favorite shavers based on price of $55 and what they can do. All right, the performance of these is great. They run for about 2 hours. I mean, you can use them at home. You in the crib, you just need to go over yourself real quick. Boom. You want to use these in the shop, you going all day. Boom. You get what I'm saying? These are one of my favorite shavers. All right, they're kind of new. They came out last year. I was about to say earlier or this year, but they came out last year. Welcome to 21. But the Gamma Uno's 1-foil shaver. I did a full review, so like I said, I'll leave a link down below. Boom. Now we go into my second favorite shaver, which is really technically, I guess, my favorite shaver because these are the ones that I use day in and day out. These are the Wall Finale. Of course, you can get the Wall shavers, but these are the 5-star that come with the dock. I like the color of them. I like the build of them. Everything about these is good. You can get these on the Wall website. Did I look on Wall website? I think I looked on. You can get them for $98. These are less than $100 if you're looking for a shaver to get the job done. Bald heads. If you've seen I did a bald head in one of my videos. I did my bald head. As you can see, it's very clean. But these are top shavers you can use from Wall. You can't go wrong with this shaver in a sense of the job that it can do. All right, boom, Wall Finale. Then you got the Babeless Pro, which, like I said, I'm not a fan of them. They're a little bit more expensive, a little bit heavier. I understand people liking them. That heaviness helped them glide better, but I'm just not a fan. I don't think to me, this is just to me, I don't think these cut better than the Wall Finales. I don't know, maybe I'm just biased because I really like Wall. You get what I'm saying? But yeah, you got these as well. I put the price because I don't remember how much I paid for these, and I didn't look it up because I didn't plan on putting them in the video. But since I seen them and when we was talking about shavers, I was just like, hey, let me also point out some of the shavers that a lot of people like a lot more. All right, so you also got those. So I mean, that's the gist of the tools that's good to use if you're on a budget, if you're looking for new things to try out. I'll leave the link down below to the clippers, the trimmers. This one is kind of short and sweet and to the point. These are my 2 favorite shavers. I think if you're looking for shavers to have You got the wall finales that was about $98, and then you got the Unos from Gamma that was about $55. This is your all day, let's go get it, bald heads, shaving the face if they don't want razor. And this is just your finishing touches. They good for under the nose, good for hitting the lineup. Some people on their face, I got a few clients, they can't use the razor on their face. So instead of me using the razor, I would usually use this on their face, but they're kind of big, as you can see. But once these came out, these are my go-to. These are my go-to for finishing touches. So these are my two favorite shavers. Wall Finale, Gamma Unos. If you have a question about anything in the video, you can DM me on Instagram. Leave a comment down below if you want to say I don't know what I'm talking about. Hey, please comment down below. Hit that thumb down button. It's there for a reason. I'm not mad at nobody. I can understand everybody have opinions and everybody is right. They have the right to think and feel how they want to feel. I think that's the problem that we get caught up in today's world, that if you disagree with somebody, it's just an automatic hate, which that's not how I feel. If you disagree with what I'm saying, let me know. Let's talk about it. Either you can change my mind or you can't change my mind, but we'll leave this conversation as two men or a man and a woman or whatever with our own decisions. All right, so leave a comment down below. Believe me, it's all good. That kind of went different. Either way, if you like the video, thumbs up the video. If you dislike the video, thumbs down the video. Like, share, subscribe. Oh, before I leave out, also though, there are companies that have, because these videos are based on the best tools and products to get if you're on a budget, or if you're looking for something new that's not too expensive, if you're looking for something just to get the job done, right? So there are also companies, Gamma, they have the Protege, which is the alpha clipper and the absolute hitter, but it's a condensed version of them. So there are also companies that have packages that you can get that's not too expensive. You got the Gamma Protege package, you got the Pro Alloy from Andes. There's different packages that you can also get. If you want to see a video of a list of the packages that's out there for people, so you ain't got to go one to one, leave a comment down below. I'll leave that in the next video. If you like the video, like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. Welcome to 2021. If this is not your cup of tea, let me know. I tried. All right, I'm out. Peace.